Hey, I'm Heather.
And I'm Pierce.
And we're from aplaceforall.com, and we love trying new products that make eating whole food plant-based fun
and tasty.
And today I have a box from, Deliciou?
Yeah.
It's like Bless You, but Deliciou. We looked it up on the internet. This company was on Shark Tank, and so we looked it up on Shark Tank to see how they pronounced it, and it's Deliciou, right?
Yep.
And I'm having Pierce unbox this with me because I think out of all my kids, he's going to be the most excited about it for the flavors that are in here. And this isn't a 100% health food, but it's going to make eating the right food easier.
Yeah, and hopefully there's a steak flavor in here.
We'll see. You want to hand them to me? We have vegan cheese seasoning. Sweet dreams are made of cheese. We have cheesy bacon. What do you think of that one?
Good.
Yeah? So he misses those flavors of meat. And I don't think he actually misses the meat, but the flavor that you get. This is everything seasoning. So we'll have to see about that. And I will also do a video showing the ingredients of these. And I'll show you pictures of what's in them.
I think I'm going to like this
Nacho cheese. If you want to read them too, you can.
Barbecue seasoning.
Barbecue.
Ranch.
Ooh, I'm excited for that one. I've really been missing ranch dressing.
Smoky barbecue bacon.
Ooh. I'm not huge on bacon, but I do know
Sriracha seasoning.
My kids like that flavor. Sriracha. Elijah, my other boy, loves sriracha.
Taco.
That'll be good.
Chicken.
Chicken seasoning.
Maple bacon.
Maple bacon.
Fries.
Fries seasoning.
Original bacon.
Original bacon.
Chipotle. I don't know.
Yeah, you're right. Chipotle.
Spicy bacon.
And spicy bacon.
Veggie dust.
Veggie dust. So, like, make up some broccoli and cauliflower and carrots and sprinkle that on there.
Garlic lovers.
Garlic lovers.
Taco mince.
Wait, before we get to that, let's count up and see how many seasonings came in this box. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 17 seasonings, and I will post up here what the cost of this box was.
Taco mince.
Taco mince, so like a taco meat replacement.
Yeah, and it probably tastes like meat too.
Yeah.
San Choi bowl.
Never heard of this. San Choi bao. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but they have it on little lettuce tacos.
Bulgo, I don't know what that is.
Bolognese sauce. Can you say bolognese?
Bolognese.
Yeah, I think you said it better than I did.
Chipotle chili.
Chipotle chili.
Okay, you want to tell?
And these mixes, the ones I had looked at, they do have a little bit of oil in them. And since ordering this box, I've decided to go completely oil-free. And so I probably won't order these again. I may occasionally if we need a quick meal.
And if we can eat them occasionally on what is it called? Thanksgiving, maybe.
Or 4th of July cookout or something, maybe. So far, which ones are you excited to try?
The seasoning?
Sure, yeah.
I want to try the nacho cheese.
The nacho cheese.
Mm-hmm.
That sounds pretty good. I wonder if it's going to taste a lot different than the nutritional yeast, you know, because that has a cheesy flavor. I'm interested to see. Was that the first one we brought out?
The cheese was the first one.
There it is. Let's see. Vegetable powders: onion, garlic, tomato, chickpea flour, yeast extracts, natural pink Himalayan salt, herbs and spices, and natural flavors. So, it does have natural flavors as an ingredient. I know a lot of people try to avoid that, and we do too, but like I said, if you can get some seasonings to make you eat the very nutritious food, then that's what we're going to do. We won't do it all the time, but...
And you could watch a video on Amazon, I think. If you want, like, to get more energy, you could walk outside and with barefoot.
Oh, he's talking about earthing. He's very into earthing. And we've been watching videos on that.
Yeah.
That's a good point.
Plant-based beef, clean and lean. Ground plant mince.
Mince. It means mince is like chopped up real little.
Plant-based pork.
Now that one, I don't think my family is excited at all. It doesn't even sound good, does it?
Mm-mm.
Like, it sounds kind of gross because we haven't eaten pork in probably 8 or 9 years.
Probably 10 because I'm 9. Wait, I ate pork.
You were very, very, very little. So I bet it was 8 or 9 years we haven't had it, and it really doesn't sound all that appetizing, but
I'm excited to taste it.
I mean, we don't have to make it taste like pork, you know.
I don't even know what pork tastes like.
True. But, you know, we can flavor this up, and
I would make it taste like steak.
And these say add water and oil, and when I make them, I will not add oil. We'll see how those
just
go.
add water.
Yeah, just water or vegetable broth. But I don't add oil to anything.
Plant-based chicken, ground plant mince.
Okay, so then here is a plant-based ground chicken, which that'll be pretty good. So we'll have to try these and let you guys know what we think of them, huh?
Yeah. Well, that's going to do it for this video.
You can't even see me anymore. We made a Deliciou fort around me.
Well, thank you for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button and the like button. Thank you.